This is Omega Bar 350 juicer. You are seeing this juicer which is very vertical and have a beautiful design. You will find this one need a small counter spaces for your kitchen or something. This is why it looks good. Other thing, you will find that this juicer can juice fruits and vegetables. There are lots of juicer in the market, but not every juicer can juice everything, but this one can juice fruits and vegetables, and it will produce quality juice from orange, pear, from carrot, or from green vegetable, leafy green, or watermelon. Everything under the sun, it can juice everything under the sun. Second thing, when you're juicing, you will produce a pulp which is very dry one, and this dry pulp means you are wasting less juice, and it is producing higher juice, unlike the centrifugal juicer. This is a masticating juicer, this one is very good for your health. It produces quality juice. Okay, this is important for your family and for your health. The juicer also can be cleaned easily, which is vital. If your juicer is not easy to clean or something, or taking lots of time, about 20 or 30 minutes to clean, then you will not be motivated to juice every day. This juicer is easy to clean. This is why it will be fine. It will motivate you. And this juicer also has a dishwasher safe. You like the feature of this juicer, like easy to clean and quiet, wasteless, and produce fruits and vegetables. 10 years of warranty. Let's talk about the quiet and slow sound. This juicer is good to use in the morning. If you are a morning person and want to have a juice in the morning, then this juicer is good. Fresh juice, if you want to have a fresh juice in the morning. If you are living in the dorm, if you are living in the family, these are good. This juicer is good because it doesn't produce a lot of noise or something. Another thing I have to tell about the drawback of this juicer. See, it's very slow juicer, and it's costly, and you have to cut in small pieces to put in the juicer. Another thing, you have to slow juicer. About the slow juicer, it's very slow, but it's important to have a quality juice. Otherwise, this juice will be oxidized or something, like the centrifugal juicer. Another thing, you have to know about the cost. It's little bit costly, but I will recommend this one, or masticating juicer like this, or other masticating juicer, because in the long run you will find that this juicer is not so much expensive, because it doesn't waste so much, and you will be able to get quality juice for a long time, for a long time. That's why I recommend masticating juicer, or masticating juicer like this one. People who buy, they gave this juicer 4.2 star out of 5. Most of them are happy with this juicer. About 530 gave them a 5 star. Let's say most of them are very happy buyer, and they would say that these juices are very easy to clean, and they're happy about the yield of this juicer. This juicer gives you 10 years of warranty. If in any point you are not happy with this one, this is a big time. If you are not happy in any point with this juicer, you can return them, get your money back, or something like that. And for to have a discount or to know more about this juicer, you can check out the below link in the description.